Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know what you're gonna say. Where have you been? So I'm so sorry guys. I have been absent. The last time I posted a video I was feeling a little sick, and so after that I was busy with my Etsy shop, and then I did go out of town for a few days. I didn't tell nobody because I didn't want nobody to know, but I went out of town for a few days. And then I came back, and then I had to get my life together, and then I had to work on my house, and now we're here. So yeah, I have been gone for, it's already been like 2 weeks since I posted, so I apologize you guys. So in today's video I'm going to be doing another unboxing, and I'm also going to be collaborating with Lindsay, my pink sister, here on YouTube. So I'm pretty sure you guys already know Lindsay. Hey guys, Lindsay here. I'm super excited to be collabing with my bestie Charla again. I cannot wait to see Charla's bag unboxing, and I have a super cute Coach unboxing and some Coach accessories. So you guys definitely don't forget to come check out my video right after you watch Charla's. And yeah, thank you so much Charla for collabing with me again. I love you, girl. Me and her, like soul sisters, we both love the same things, both love shopping, pink. It's like, why does she have to live in Narnia? Why cannot she live here so we can go shopping together? I'm like considering like, should I take a trip to see Lindsay's? But I would have to like save up some money because I'm pretty sure we're gonna like do damage. But let me know what you guys think about that. But anyways, I'm going to be collaborating with Miss Lindsay today, so don't forget to check out her video. I will have it linked down below, and check out and see what she's going to be unboxing on her channel. So for this video I'm going to be unboxing 2 bags. Not really unboxing because I kind of already opened them, but I wanted to share them with you guys because I'm just obsessed. So yeah, if you want to see my new bags, just keep watching. Okay, so I already unboxed these bags off camera because I did use them for my 2-3 day trip that I had went on, and I was waiting for these bags to come in because I did want to use one of them at least. I used it to travel already, so I did already open it, but you guys do not want to miss this bag. So this is the on the go tote. This is the big one. I think it's the, is it the MM, right? Or the GM? I don't know what these are called, but this is the large on the go tote, and I wanted it so bad because I was like, how cute would this be for travel to match with my luggage? In my previous video I did, it was a video where I was shouting out small businesses. I did get a matching luggage, which I'll show you guys that right now. So here it is. So this is the luggage, and there's still clothes in here because I haven't unpacked yet. That's how busy I've been. But I just wanted to show it to you guys again. I wanted to get this just to like match. Like, I love matching when I travel. I like everything to be girly and pink. So I wanted to get this on the go tote, and I will have everything linked in the comments where you guys can get it. But it is just such a gorgeous bag, and I'm gonna compare it with my authentic bag. So you guys, these 2 bags are inspired. They're not the real deal, but if you're on a budget, girl, like, who cares? Like, they're just material things. We don't take these things when we leave the world, so like, who cares? Just as long as it makes you happy, that's all that matters. But I do want to compare it to my authentic one. So this is my baby, my pride and joy. This is like the bag that made my wallet hurt but also makes me happy at the same time, so it doesn't matter. So this is my authentic. This is the on the go PM. This is the baby tote, and this is the big one. So if you look at the color comparison, they're very, very close. They're obviously, it's not going to be spot on. Like, the turquoise on my authentic bag is definitely way lighter than the turquoise on this bag. But other than that, I would say they're pretty close. This is kind of like 80% close. It's not like 100% spot on, but it's pretty darn close. For a lot of inspired ones that I've seen, they're like way off from a lot that I've seen, so I'm like, ooh. So I've been trying really hard to find ones that look very, very close to the real one. So I think this is very, very good, and it's good quality, and for the price I think it's very, very a very good alternative. So if you guys are interested, I will leave all the links down in the comments below. And this is what the bag looks like on the inside, so pretty spot on to how the inside looks. It's purple with all the little logos, and it does have straps to carry. Honestly, I don't know if I would trust to put so many things in here and carry it by the strap. I feel like if you're gonna use this for your everyday bag and you're just carrying like maybe a computer and your wallet and stuff, it is safe to carry it by the straps. But if you're putting like a ton of stuff in here, if you're gonna travel, I would just trust the handles, because I did stuff this whenever I had went out of town, and I was a little scared to use the straps because I just did not want to risk them breaking. I feel like they wouldn't, but I don't know, just in case, like I just have that feeling like maybe not carry it by the straps. So I was carrying it by the handles the whole time, which was fine because it was just you know, I had all my essentials in here. I had my makeup bag, I had like 2 makeup bags in here, my straightener, my curler, just stuff like that. Like all my beauty products were in here. But I just think she's so pretty. So this is how it looks close up on the side. So I'm telling you guys, this is pretty good quality for it being inspired. So I really love this. It's so pretty. So I totally recommend you guys get this bag. I really want the Neverfull now. I want every single bag that they came out with in this style. Like I want the whole collection. Like I know they came out with like that little Tootsie Roll bag. Oh, I want that bag too. And then they came out with a Neverfull, which I really want. I'm not sure though if I want to get the real Neverfull or a dupe. I know the real Neverfull is kind of like one that's achievable to save up for, so I'm kind of like, should I save up and like get that one on my birthday? Like I really want the authentic one. But if I can find a good dupe, maybe. I have not found a good dupe to this day, but if I do find a good dupe, maybe I will. But I really want the Neverfull now, and I want the little Tootsie Roll bag. I just want everything in this collection. I'm obsessed. So I'm gonna really quickly share with you guys what I fit in here because I did already use it. So what I had put in here was my Victoria's Secret makeup bag. This fit all my makeup. I had just left for 2 days, so I didn't like take my whole vanity with me. I just took like my essential makeup. So everything fit in this Victoria's Secret makeup bag. So this I did put in here, and then also I took my other Victoria's Secret makeup bag. This I use to put all my hair products in, all of my skincare, makeup wipes, stuff like that you're gonna need that goes in the bathroom, body wash, toothbrush, razor, everything like that I had put in here. And this also fit. I already unpacked everything because it's been like 2 days since I've been home. So I put that in there as well. And then I also put my straightener and my curling wand in there. My straightener is still hot because I recently used it to curl my bangs, so I'm not gonna put that in here and burn my hands. But I also took this new curling wand. You guys, you need to get on this curler. I barely found it on Amazon. I will link it in my Amazon storefront. This is kind of like the beach waver. It's like that expensive one where you like clamp it and then it like curls for you. So this one is like a good dupe that I found on Amazon, and it was like 30-40 bucks, pretty inexpensive, and it's all pink, and it does the same thing. When you turn it on, it rotates, so it acts like as a wand. Like you just clip it on your hair and then you turn it like has 2 buttons like to go either way you want, and it curls it for you, and it gives you the style of an actual wand, which is, I like to curl my hair with the wand when I have my hair short. I don't like the way my hair looks with a straightener when I have it short, only when it's long with my extensions. But when I have it short, when I'm rocking the short hair, I love the way it looks curled with the wand. So this has really saved my life, and it's super quick, super easy. It doesn't burn my fingers because I always burn my fingers with the wand. So I definitely recommend you guys try this. I'm gonna link it down in my Amazon storefront, but I also had put that in there. I put my straightener in there, and then I did even put some like sandals in here, and you still have more room to like put other stuff in here. You could still put like something else on top, but yeah, that is a lot of things will fit in here. So all of my beauty products had went in here, and then all of my clothes went in my duffel bag, and that is all I took with me. Usually when I travel I take like 5 bags, not gonna lie, but this time I only took 2, and even my husband was like, wow, I'm surprised you only took 2 bags. And I was like, because everything fit in here, girl. So I'm really loving this bag, my new favorite. Like I said, I want the Neverfull now, but I need to calm myself with bags because nothing fits on my bag shelf anymore. And I'm waiting till I move because I'm probably gonna have to get another bag shelf so I can, like, you know, have more bags. So I'm like trying to hold off on bags until I move, which I know you guys are like, when is the next house update? I already filmed a lot of it yesterday, so you'll be seeing this video today, which is Sunday. So that video for sure will be going up Wednesday. So you guys will see the updated how the house is going. And I'm hoping soon. It's just whenever you're doing a fixer-upper, it does take time, and then especially when you're in this Texas weather. We're working in the house with no electricity, so it's like 100 degrees inside the house, so sometimes we don't get a lot done, just depending how hot it is that day. So, and then we do have things that happen where we can't go and work on the house certain days. So yeah, we're trying as best as we can. I'm like really hoping by August, you know, mid-August, we're able to move in, because as soon as we move in, I'm decorating for fall. Like, I'm ready to decorate with my pink pumpkins. So I'm really excited for that, so I'm looking forward to it. So the next bag that I want to show you guys, that I just couldn't wait a week to like not open this box, so I went ahead and opened it. But I just wanted to show you guys. So this is the Stardust bag. So I did get a Stardust Neo Noe bag in one of my previous videos, and I wanted to get the on the go tote as well. So this is what it looks like. I'm not sure exactly which grade of bag this one is, and then also I haven't seen the authentic one in person to know if this is an exact replica, but this one is still very pretty. Like I said, you guys have to see it in person because I think on camera it's like showing a little bit different. I'll put a clip here of how it looks in different lightings outside, but it is a very pretty pink color, and it has like yellow and purple. But this one is so cute, and here's how the inside looks. It's pink. I just love the inside. I love how pink it is on the inside. It's so pretty. So I'm just going to show side by side of my authentic and this one. Obviously this is a different color palette, but the shape of the bag is pretty spot on, super cute, and yeah, I like it. So cute. Yeah, definitely love this bag. I would love to see this bag in person because maybe I'll want to get something in this collection, like an authentic one. But I think in November we are going back to Vegas for my little sister-in-law's 21st birthday, and I'm gonna try and save up so by that time I can purchase a bag for kind of like my birthday, because my birthday is gonna be in November. So I don't know if I want to save up to get something from the Stardust collection or if I want to get something from this collection, but I don't think they're gonna have any of these bags, like this color collection, by the time November comes. I'm pretty sure like they're not gonna have them anymore. They might still have this collection by then, so if they do, I will probably get something authentic from this collection. But I mean, who knows, let's see what they're gonna launch by the fall. Maybe I'll end up getting something totally different, but I do want to get something in November whenever I go up there, so we'll see what we end up getting. But yeah, if you guys want the links to both these bags, I'll put it down in the description. But I hope you guys liked seeing my new bags. And oh, I also want to show you these cups that I just got in the mail. I know this is like so random, but I just want to like show you guys stuff that I've been getting. I got these cups from Mercari, and these are the Pink Mexico collection from Starbucks. And oh my god, you guys, I've been trying for the longest time to get my hands on these cups. Like, this is the prettiest shade of pink. It like goes hand in hand with my LV bag. It is just so pretty. I love this color, and people were selling these for an arm and a leg, but luckily I got a deal on these tumblers because I got 2 for 1. I found this one too, so this one will be perfect for coffee in the winter time. It's the Cherry Blossom collection. I really want the other one that has that insulated tumbler, and it looks like this, but it's insulated so you could put cold drinks in there. I really want that one, but they're hard to find, and if you do find them, they're like expensive. So I really want that one, but I just wanted to share my cups with you guys. I thought they were super cute. And also, when I went out of town, I went to Target, and tell me why the Targets out of towns are like way nicer than mine. Like my Target is like Walmart compared to Target like in other towns. So I found these mini Bratz. I was screaming whenever I saw them. My friend went to Target just to get these because our Target sucks, and oh my god, let me tell you, I was dying whenever I found these mini Bratz, because growing up as a kid I loved Bratz so much. I even started collecting again. I do have a few, like maybe like 3 or 4 Bratz that I have in my closet, because I just want, it just fulfills my inner child from whenever I had them as a kid. So when I saw that they had these little minis at Target, I was like, I gotta get some, they're so cute. So in the first one, and it's so crazy because Yasmin and Jade were my favorite dolls. So the ones that I got in the first one was literally Yasmin and Jade. So I got the little Yasmin Rock Angels, and then I got the Jade, the Tokyo. Oh my god, it's so cute. And you can actually take them out of the box, but I'm not going to, but you can actually take them out, and they're so cute. I was like, oh my god, like I love anything mini. Like I'm very drawn to things that are like miniature size or small. I just love mini items. So and then in the other one I got another Yasmin, and I got a Chloe. So this is what they look like. So I got the Tokyo Chloe, and then I got the Bratz. I don't know which collection this was from. I think it's just the regular one, the Flaunt It. I love her outfit, Yasmin's. It looks so cute. Something that I would wear. It's like literally me as a doll. So I thought those were so cute, and I want to get more. Like we literally went to 2 other Targets to like try and get more, but they were like sold out everywhere. So I only have 2 so far, but I do want to get more. Like I'm getting obsessed with Bratz again, even though like I'm not a kid anymore, but it's just fun to have them. So yeah, I just want to show you all my little, you know, all my little collections that I've been getting. So yeah, that was it for this video, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and don't forget to check out my girl Lindsay's video down below and leave a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe before you go. And until next time, see you guys in my next video. Bye.